Hello everyone. So this video is regarding the announcement of our PSIR Foundational course, which I'm starting from 22nd of June. So this is a PSIR Foundation course for 2027, right? So the class timing will be morning 11:30 to 1:30. With this foundational course, other than so this foundational course will be both in offline and online mode. If you are looking forward for the offline mode, if you are in Delhi, you want to come to the class and sit in the class and have a classroom experience, you have to come at the premises of the Anandam IIS for the offline classes. If you are looking forward for the online classes you can join and enroll yourself from the platform of Sarthi IIS. Okay, the classes will be same. I'm going to take the classes. The content will be same, except that the difference will be offline and online. As I said, classes are starting from 22nd of June, and this is the foundation course for PSIR. It is for 2027 mains. Okay. With the offline foundation course, if you join offline, you will get a full-fledged 16 test series. So 16 test series is the part of your offline foundation course. 8 tests will be commenced before pre, and 8 tests will be commenced after pre with the crash course. These 16 test series will start around November. By that time, substantial syllabus of your PSIR will be finished. Okay. So this test series is the part of your offline foundation course, right? Other than the test series, there will be a regular classroom answer writing sessions. After the completion of every topic, I'll give you a question, PYQ, and will ask you to make a framework and write, try to compile an answer for that. You will get the proper feedback. There's a team who will going to evaluate your answers and will give you the timely feedback. So that is the classroom answer writing practice, and this will help you to prepare for your final test series, which will start in November. But test series is the part of only offline foundation course. On 22nd, I'm going to take the orientation class. That orientation class is free for all. Anyone can be a part of the orientation class. Now, in the orientation class, you can ask your doubts. If you have doubt that, if you are still confused that which optional you want to go for, okay. So if you are confused with your optional, and if you are thinking of taking PSIR but have some questions and queries, first thing you can come and meet me at Anandam, or you can attend the first orientation class where I'm going to talk about that why you should go for PSIR if you have a slight of interest, and what advantages PSIR as an optional gives you and helps you in this particular preparation. So first class will going to be free, and it will be a kind of orientation class in which I'm going to discuss the syllabus and will give you the overview of this particular subject. Okay. So first class will going to be open for all. So this is what I wanted to tell, that our new foundation batch is starting from 22nd of June. So those who have finalized their optional and are looking forward to and giving me the calls and seeking forward for the queries that from when I'm starting my new batch. So this is the information for all of you, that the batch will be commenced from 22nd of June, and the timing of the batch is morning 11:30, and it will be in both offline and online mode. For online, you need to enroll yourself at the app of Sarthi IIS. Okay, and for offline, classes will be commenced at the premises of Anandam IIS. Wishing you all best of luck, best wishes.